Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure. So what is budget set? A Azure budget helps you to plan and manage cost by setting spending limit of subscription, resource group, and services. You define a budget amount that time ranges and Azure track usage. Alert notify you when a spending approaches and exceed the set budget, helping control expense and optimize resources use. So when you're talking about budget set, imagine you're already using in real time you're already using datas and everything. So if you exceed more than 50%, you'll be getting a notification or you'll be getting a triggered message, alert message like 50% is already used, remaining 50% is there, like a notification you will be receiving. Same thing can be set up in Azure also. That is called Azure budget set. So if you're setting a particular budget and if you exceed more than that, you'll be getting a notification through your email. That means almost this percentage of you have exceed. So remaining this percentage is remaining like that way, you'll be receiving a notification. So that is called budget set. To create, I'll show you the demo. So let's open Azure portal. So when you go to the portal, you can see subscription here, right? So when you open the subscription, you can see this is my subscription. So inside that, you can see budget. Inside cost management, you can see budget. So right now, you can see I'm not going to add any budget or anything. I've not added anything. So I'll create a new budget. So I'll click on add and I'll give a unique name for it. Okay, so I'm giving budget or a cloud institution budget. So the reset period of billing can be in billing of by month, quarter, or year. It's up to you. So I'll choose billing method, and you can see creation date and expiry date also. And when you go down, you can see a budget amount. That is setting a particular amount for that budget. So imagine you're setting 500. Okay. So next, when you click, you can see alert condition. That means to set a alert, you have to set a particular alert condition. To do that, you can see actually you have to control as a actual forecast. So they will be actually and forecasted. So you have to select actual and they'll be asking for the budget. So to do that, you have to give a percentage of that. So I'm giving 45. So when you're giving 45%, when it exceeds 225, you'll be getting a notification through your email. So I'll give cloud institution at gmail.com. So when it exceeds more than 225, you'll be getting a notification through your email. So like for example, cloudinstitution at gmail.com. So this is how you set up a budget set to a particular subscription or a resource group or any other services also. So if you like our channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And for more information, contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.